Hello, my name is Tatiana Cortez. On my next holidays, I am going to Europe. I am going to buy my plane tickets in this year. I am pretty sure I am going to fly into Venice on the 5th December, and I am going to stay in a hotel in the city center. I am going to visit all the important sites, and I am going to spend some time at the beach. I love Europe food, so I am going to eat a lot of delicious pizza and more. After 2 weeks of the 30th of December, I am going to fly home, and it's going to be an exciting trip. Thank you.